If you want to install a dynamic island on a Redmi 15, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the dynamic island. So we're gonna search for this app. You can either just type dynamic island. There you go. And over here you should be able to find some example apps. I'm gonna use this one in this case, but feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this specific app. Most of them are pretty similar and they are fairly easy to set up. So let's open this one and I'm gonna show you what you need to do in order to set this one up. And there are a couple of things that we need to do before we can actually use it. So let's go next over here. And here we have our instructions. So we're gonna press select apps, and now we need to choose apps that should be synchronized with the dynamic island. So whenever you receive a notification, then the dynamic island might pop up. You can choose specific apps, or you can just tap all over here in order to make them all work with the dynamic island. After that, we can go back and open notification access. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Over here, we need to choose dynamic spot. There we go, and let's allow notification access. Tap that you are aware of possible risks over here on the circle, and after a couple of seconds, you should be able to press OK. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on the draw on screen, set to no restrictions, and let's go back, and then tap again, and then go next. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and we're gonna go to downloaded apps, dynamic spot, and then we can turn it on. Once again, select that you are aware of possible risks. And then after 10 seconds, we can once again press OK. And there we go. Now we can press done. If you get this Pro offer, just close it in the top right corner. And the app is technically running. But we can also go to position in order to take a look at the dynamic island to see how it looks like. And of course, we can customize the size and position. So in this case, I'm gonna make it actually a little bit bigger because I find it a little bit too small. Let's make it wider as well. And I'm gonna move it up so that it will be centered with the front camera, of course. I think this looks pretty well. So if you want to, you can feel free to copy these settings. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.